video. So today we're gonna be learning about a concept in NCERT, Chapter 5, Water, Circulation of ocean, or circulation of water, or in other words, the movement of the ocean. So there are many different types of circulations in the ocean: waves, tsunamis, ocean currents, and tides. So we're gonna be learning about all of them briefly. So waves. So the definition of waves is waves are one of the circulations or the movements of the ocean, or the sea curling in an arced form. So waves are formed when energy is transferred from one molecule to another in the surface of the ocean. The next movement, or the next circulation of the ocean, are tsunamis. Tsunamis are destructive and giant waves which are formed when earthquakes and volcanic activity under the ocean give rise to these waves. That's why there's ever an earthquake, meteorologists say that there might be a tsunami coming soon. Ocean currents. Now, ocean currents are basically large streams flowing within an ocean in a specific direction. So in the northern hemisphere, ocean currents actually move clockwise. In the southern hemisphere, these ocean currents move counterclockwise. Now, the Coriolis effect is an important concept to learn if we want to understand ocean currents. So due to the Earth's rotation, because Earth always rotates eastward because it's spherical, this causes the water and winds to actually deflect to the right in the northern hemisphere and the left in the southern hemisphere. So yeah. So ocean currents can be classified into warm and cold currents. Warm currents are light. They actually move from the equator to the poles. They flow along the surface of the ocean. An example can be like the Gulf Stream. Cold currents. Cold currents are dense. They move from the poles to the equator. They flow below the surface of the earth, opposite to the warm currents. And examples can be the Atacama Desert, because underneath the Atacama Desert there are many cold currents, and the Peruvian Stream. Tides. Tides are the rise and fall of sea level, usually twice a day, and they're caused by the gravitational pull of the moon and sun and Earth rotation. So they usually happen at night, or in the morning, in the day and night, as I said, twice a day. So tides can be classified into 4 types. 1, high tides. High tides is when the gravity of the moon pulls on the Earth's ocean. Low tides is when the pull is actually released. And spring tides are basically high tides that occur on full and new moon days. They're known as spring tides, and neap tides are low tides that occur on the first and last quarter of moons. So that's about it guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more upSchool videos, which are coming very soon. About geography and just basically NCERT tutorials coming your way. This is upSchool signing off. Subscribe. Peace.